looks very soft clouds, but they're actually they are not soft. They're just a bunch of hot steam as we pass through. What's the gate of our other plane?
What's that?
What's the gate of our other plane? Whatever it is, you gotta make it quick.
You're gonna be alone earlier too.
Yeah, there's a power plant over there. I don't think that's a... Yeah, it's a coal-fired power plant. That would be cool if that was a nuclear power plant. But the thing is, there should always be some distance, so if there was fallout, there's just...
There's a nuclear one further up the lake.
Yeah.
Kiwani.
Kiwani. Yeah, Grandpa has a mug that says, Kiwani Nuclear Power Plant.
Doesn't have to have a big smokestack.
Yeah, but it's like usually big, wide ones.
Yeah, it has evaporation tone.
Yeah. Condensation. Woo-wee. Sucker. Humpy donkey. This might be a hard one. Here we come down through the runway. I can tell because I'm smart. Because I'm smart and I'm a genius. Looks like they're extending the runway. Whoa! Whoa, Nelly! Whoa, Nelly!
Welcome to Milwaukee, where the local time is approximately 6:25. For your safety and the safety of those around you, please remain seated.
Nice dog.
Securely fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop at the gate. At that time, the captain will turn off the fasten seatbelt sign, which will be your indication that it is safe to move about the cabin.
He was screeching on the brakes on that one before he activated the reversers.
May have shifted during flight. And please be careful when leaving the aircraft, as the door is slightly lower than the ceiling.
And
If you
well,
carry on
wasn't
bags
sure I was
taken by
expecting
agents
that one.
boarded, they will be available for pickup, either plain
We
side
were
or on the jet bridge.
Gonna park at a
For
D50.
safety of the aircraft, please step to the side until those bags are brought to you by ground personnel. If you have
Stop
no
running the
carry-on
brakes
bags,
already.
please proceed to the terminal.
Jeez,
For
stop
those of
running
you
the
connecting to another
brakes.
flight, all bags checked at the ticket counter will be transferred for you. Please check the monitor inside the terminal for connecting gate information. If this is your final destination, checked baggage may be found at the baggage claim area. As we taxi to the gate, feel free to use your cellular telephone.
There's our gate already.
All other portable electronic devices must remain off until the aircraft arrives at the gate and the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. On behalf of your Grand Rapids base flight crew, I'd like to say thank you for flying with us today. And we hope to see you again on a future Frontier Express flight. Have a nice time in Milwaukee or wherever your travel may take you. Thank you.
No,
Probably from Michigan.
no, we will not have a nice time in Grand Rapids. And that guy right there looks somewhat like Aaron Rodgers. Yeah, the beard and the haircut and the face. Yay!